What's up, guys? Coach Sergey here at SBG NACE, and alongside with me, Brandon Blake and Alex Kyo. So, guys, we're gonna go over some typical rules of wrestling and point systems. So the first thing, guys, we have the uniform, so wrestling singlet. So how do you know when you're in red or in blue? So if you called into the mat first, you're in the red singlet. If you called second, you're in the blue singlet. All right, guys, and how do you earn the points? So typical takedown will be 2 points, elevated throw will be 4 points, taking the back will be 2 points, on the ground, in the parterre, any rolls, you get 2 points, and step out of the mat is 1 point. We're gonna go over now with the guys to show you all the examples. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go now over the takedowns when you're scoring 2 points. So the guy is starting in the middle of the mat, and the Brandon's gonna go on a double leg and perform the takedown, and you can see Alex on posting the hands. So this takedown will score as 2-point takedown. How you score in 4-point? So you could score the 4-point as well from the takedown from the double leg. So we're gonna show now. Alex gonna go for the double leg, but the amplitude is bigger. So Brandon is on the elbow, and you can see if you on the elbow slow, that's gonna count as a 4-point takedown. On the next one, taking the back. So for taking the back, you get 2 points. So Brandon gonna shoot for the single leg, get in the back. In this position, Brandon, the guy in red, still does not get any points because you need to get one of the knees on the ground. So in this position, only then he awards 2 points. Okay, now we're moving on how to score 4 points. So 4 points typically will be with amplitude of the throws. So firing here, for example, that's a 4-point throw. Deep throw, this is 4-point throw. Windmill, also awarded for the 4 points. 50-50 throw, also awarded for 4 points. And there is a lot more throws that you can get 4 points. That was just some of the examples. And now, guys, we're moving into the step out. When you get in the point, when you step out the zone from the mat, and the person who steps out losing the point. So just to show you the example, the blue guy stepping out, he losing the point, so the red guy will get the point for that. And vice versa, for example, in this position, the red comes out from the mat, step out of the mat, blue gets the point for that. And now we're moving on to the parterre. So parterre, when the wrestlers wrestle on the ground, and for each roll, the guy on top gets the point. So this is 2 points. He can roll again, another 2 points, and he can roll again, another 2 points. And you can roll unlimitedly until he gets 10-0. So another technique as well, again, it could be a different one. We go for a leg lace, you get 2 points, 2 points, 2 points. And you can continue until the ref stops and you get 10-0 or 13-3 or the distance of 10 points from your opponent. Okay, guys, and now we're going to the last point is when we pin the guy. So when we pin our opponent, you win the match instantly. So in the position of the pin, one of the position, so if full shoulders on the ground, this is the pin. If the athlete in red, wrestler in red, go on the bridge, there is no pin yet. One thing you cannot do, you cannot push forward for the neck, so you need to push the opponent down. So once we go there, goes back again on the bridge, so he can go back again. So there's no pin. Alex pushes down. When we're in a position when 2 shoulders down, you win the match automatically. All right, guys. I hope I answered all the questions you had about the rule set and how to score the points in a wrestling match. If you have any other questions, please feel free to message me directly. Just to be clear, that's all the techniques and how to score points we showed today. That's not everything. It's a lot more to it. It's a lot more to it. We can stay here all day and go over, different situations. It would take us a whole weekend. So, what I understand as well, and I've gone through the list of competitors, most of you are going to be, for most of you, going to be a first-time wrestling competition. So we will all learn from it, and I believe you're going to come out a lot more educated from this competition for the next one. So again, this was one of the basic way of, earning points, and just only a few techniques that is obviously available in wrestling. So I just want to be clear on this. So come along, guys, and I'm looking forward to a great day of competition for all of us.